How to install apps from Chrome in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome application just to make sure that we have an updated version. So let's search for Google Chrome, and here as you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Google Chrome. So let's tap on open and launch Google Chrome. Now as you do that, it will land us to the Google Chrome page to make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to download or install any app from Chrome, simply tap on the search bar and search for this application. Now suppose if I want to download the application called Steam, so let's search for it. And as you do that, here you'll be able to see the official page or the official website. So just tap on the application or the website, and then you'll be able to see the download option if they are downloadable. So you can sign up as well, you can download it if the app is downloadable. Otherwise, you'll also be able to see different apps or different sites where you can download these applications. So you basically have to go to the official website and download those applications. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.